Marisa Pruitt is here today. She's a registered dietitian at Gundersen Health System, and she's here today to talk to us about what is stress eating. So first of all, if someone doesn't know what that means, what is it?
Well, first of all, it's normal. So let's just say that almost everyone is a stress eater. There are two types. There's an acute stress eater where, like, during a stressful event, you just have this intense need to chew. And so those people tend to gravitate towards the salty, crunchy snacks. And then there's the person that stress eats after the stressful event is over. Maybe they get a stomach ache or don't really feel like eating during the event itself. But then after it's over, then they gravitate towards the sweets and more creamy things to satisfy their sweet tooth.
Okay, so what caused it? Is it more of a physiological thing or a psychological thing that we do that?
It's a little bit of both. Food is pretty powerful. We can actually self-medicate with food. And so if we're under an intense amount of stress, eating kind of fires those brain chemicals and makes us feel better.
Interesting. Okay, so what do you need to know about yourself so that maybe you can short circuit doing that?
First of all, it's really important to know your triggers. If you know that certain family events, certain work events, certain social events are triggers for you to stress eat, that's a really great time to take a step back and analyze the situation. What do I really need? What am I really feeling? Because food is just a short-term solution.
So, you know, when it comes down to it, if you are a stress eater, sometimes you're not doing it a lot, sometimes you are a frequent stress eater. What does it mean health-wise for you if you are stress eating a lot?
Sure. Well, stress eating, oftentimes we forget about the foods that we eat during those stressful events. So when we're looking at our typical day, we're thinking, oh, well, I didn't really eat a whole lot. When in the grand scheme of things, we probably ate a lot. And usually when we're stress eating, it's little nibbles, little bites, little sips. We don't really think about that, and our brain has a great way of forgetting those things. So it can add up huge.
So it could mean a lot of extra calories that you're just forgetting to account for.
Absolutely.
All right, thank you so much, Marisa, for joining us today.